I will even dare to say that if you're a company who fails to adapt, fails to embrace the fact that AI is here and AI is to stay, you might be heading to a not very successful place. Welcome to the series, Why AI Projects Fail. If you're new here, hi, I'm Diana. I work in technology consulting for a few years, and I have been privileged to work with multiple AI and data-related projects along the way. I'm here to share my knowledge and experience and also learn from you. Challenge number 8 is the culture problem. Generally, AI tends to fail also when we talk about companies that fail to embrace change. Now, there's a lot happening out there in the AI ecosystem, and I will even dare to say that if you're a company who fails to adapt, fails to embrace the fact that AI is here and AI is to stay, you might be heading to a not very successful place. Now, there are multiple reasons why some organization may fail to adapt to the change. And I think the number one would be that there is fear for automation and therefore job loss. And there are industries that have been affected by that or sectors that have been affected by that. So, for example, the customer service is highly affected by that. But some change is gonna happen regardless of whether we want it to happen or not. If your team is reluctant to change when it comes to AI products that are being shipped internally or externally, you might want to create systems that make your employees, first of all, feel safe, and second of all, maybe even give them incentives into embracing this change, whatever the internal KPIs of your organization or team might be. Another thing that I often see in tech teams is some developers do not want to work with tools like Codex, Claude Code, Cursor, Whisper, and so on. And the reason is either because they have the fear of being to some degree replaced, or because they maybe do not actually see any value in these tools because they haven't even tried them yet. So there are multiple aspects to this failing to change problem. You might want to look into your organization and understand what are the pain points, what are the parts in which the change is really not working through, and then start there in order to optimize for things that are low-hanging fruits or optimize things that are easy to optimize, and then move from there to more difficult cases where change may be more tricky or more complex. I personally think that a good way to start into understanding how fit your organization is for AI change is to try to look into data-driven decisions and understand how far your organization has come with this aspect. Is your organization even looking into data, looking into concrete statistics, concrete metrics, and